In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view closed tickets in Zendesk, a very useful skill for anyone who regularly manages customer interactions through the platform. So let's dive right in and start by navigating to where you need to be in Zendesk. First, you'll want to locate the Views icon, which you'll find in the sidebar of your Zendesk dashboard. This icon is your gateway to organizing and monitoring various ticket statuses, including closed tickets. Once you've clicked on the Views icon, direct your attention to the lower part of the screen. Here, you will see an option labeled More, represented by 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Views. Alternatively, if you find it easier, you can also go through the Admin Center by navigating to Workspaces, then Agent Tools, and finally selecting Views. Either path will lead you to the same destination where you can create and manage views. Now, let's move on to the next step. You're going to need to create a new view to filter out those closed tickets specifically. Find the option to add a view, which is usually marked with a plus sign. Clicking this will open a setup page where you can name your new view. It helps to give it a clear, descriptive name like Closed Tickets, so that you know exactly what this view will show at a glance. With the view named, you'll now define the conditions that tickets must meet to be included in this view. Look for the section labeled Meet all of the following conditions. Here, you'll want to specify that the ticket status is set to closed. This crucial step ensures that only closed tickets will be displayed in your new view. Now, if you want to be even more organized, you can choose to add additional filters. These filters can help refine the data further to meet your specific needs. For example, you might add conditions based on the assignee, group, or solved date. This is optional, but can be very helpful if you're dealing with a large volume of tickets and need to narrow it down further. Next, decide on the columns you want to be visible when you open this view. Common choices include Subject, which tells you what the ticket is about, Requester, so you know who submitted it, and Solved Date, allowing you to see when the issue was resolved. The final configuration step involves setting the visibility of this view. You have several options: make it personal for your own use, group to share it with a specific team, or all agents if everyone in your organization needs access to it. After you've made all these choices, hit Save to create your new view. You'll be taken back to the main Views area, where your newly created view should now appear alongside others. Just click on it to open and review all your closed tickets quickly and efficiently. That's all there is to it. With this setup, reviewing closed tickets in Zendesk will be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy ticket managing.